Want to build a digital campaign performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with: campaign metrics, costs, conversions, and performance data. Let's create it live. First, we import our data file. The upload completes instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI immediately starts analyzing our campaign data, identifying key metrics and relationships. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations, monthly trend charts showing impressions, clicks, and conversions over time, cost versus ROI comparisons by channel, and performance metrics. The system creates tables for monthly performance summaries and channel breakdowns. It's building top and bottom performing campaign rankings, conversion rate analysis, and click-through rate comparisons across all marketing channels. Our digital campaign performance dashboard is complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 data tables giving us comprehensive campaign insights. We can instantly change themes to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view highlights our key metrics beautifully, perfect for executive presentations and team reviews. We can navigate through all visualizations seamlessly. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through our dashboard and interact with every element. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.